Hamburg steak, rice, and pastries for breakfast. It isn't what I expected, but I'm not complaining. Walking through Shinsaibashi in the early morning hours feels like discovering a secret. Last night, this place was electric. Now it's peaceful, almost meditative. The artwork here is incredible. Without the crowds and neon distractions, you can actually see the details. Don Quixote. If you've never been, imagine a discount store that had a fever dream. Don Quixote started in 1989 as a single store in Tokyo, founded by a guy who wanted to create a 24-hour discount wonderland. The name comes from the Spanish novel, fitting for a place that feels like chasing impossible dreams. Now there are over 400 stores across Japan, each one packed floor to ceiling with everything you never knew you needed. Once again, I'm up too early, waiting for my noodle class to start and waiting for stores to open. The streets are being washed clean while the city slowly wakes up. There's something beautiful about seeing a place resetting itself each morning. Another Starbucks, another disappointment. Some things are universal, even in Japan. Chain coffee is still chain coffee. Book Off, Japan's answer to used everything. Started in 1991, Book Off revolutionized the secondhand market in Japan. What began as used bookstores evolved into these massive warehouses selling books, CDs, games, and electronics. Walking through American Village on my way to the noodle class. But it's the Japanese interpretation of American culture which makes it uniquely its own thing. I booked this noodle making class through Klook.com, and honestly, I had no idea what I was getting into.
3, 1, use both feet. Imagine pizza shape. Yes. 3, 4. Very quick sound. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, good. Just press. Oh, please listen this music. Excuse me, this step One,
Feel the
Huh?
beat.
three. Okay, great job. Okay, I'm taking pictures for you. Good. Okay, then very unique chopsticks method. Okay, four chopsticks together. Yeah, this is like a risk, so easy to mix. Okay, let's try.
Travel tip number 7. Take a cultural class or two. You'll learn something you can't get from just walking around, and it gives you a different perspective on the place you're visiting. This class teaches you how to make one type of ramen noodle, but 3 different broths: miso, shio, and shoyu. Each one completely changes the character of the dish. What I love about this is how each ingredient has a purpose, and how they complement each other. It's not just throwing things together, there's an actual science behind it. After this, I need to head back to the hotel and recharge before Team Lab Botanical tonight. Hit that like button and leave a comment. These are my first videos, and I'd love to hear what you think. There's still a lot more to go.